A humble desert cafe owner spots a simple truth. The local supply chain is fragile and wasteful, and decides to transform it into a globally minded mission. He experiments with solar-powered dryers and plant-based ingredients, turning surplus produce into shelf-ready snacks that travel from the sun-baked plains to urban markets. The brand grows through community-driven farming cooperatives and clever partnerships that emphasize fair trade and transparency. As demand rises, the founder keeps the core promise to nourish people and the planet. The story ends with a thriving global presence rooted in a tiny desert kitchen.